Hello friends, shocked to see these numbers? Do you think it's impossible to earn this much in a month?
What?
Well, yes, it's possible using Pinterest. Before knowing how many ways we can earn money through Pinterest, you will have to know who the audiences on Pinterest are. There are more than 80% women on Pinterest. So one thing is clear here, that whatever content we create, we are going to make it only on women. The same thing must be going on in your mind. But here we will go opposite. People are all busy in covering women's topics, and there's more competition. Here we will try to cover men's topics. Now, let's talk about men's topics. What are the ways with the help of which we can earn money from Pinterest? Pinterest is used most for diverting traffics. Assume you have websites. You can make people visit your website through Pinterest. Pinterest has more than 450 million monthly traffics. And you can make these huge number of people to visit your YouTube channel, website, store, or even your Instagram account. There are two ways which are most popular, and we are going to learn them today. The first way is to divert traffic into YouTube or websites, and number two is affiliate marketing. These are the most popular methods which you should understand first as a beginner. Remember, this video is for a beginner, so I am not going to take much deep knowledge because this is the first video on making money through Pinterest. First of all, you must know how to divert traffic from Pinterest. Now here in Pinterest, you will see a lot of content. Let's see this thumbnail, which I found most attractive out of all of them, which is $1.50 per screenshot. Here I found out one thing, that I have to take a screenshot, and for that, I will get $1.50. Let's see how it's even possible. People will click on it, then click on the link, and it takes them to his YouTube channel where he explains the process. As they watch it, this person will earn a decent amount through Google AdSense. Remember that you must have monetized YouTube channel to earn in this way. Even if your channel is not monetized, Pinterest will help you to complete 4,000 hours watch times. Same goes for websites where you can earn through ads. Now the second way is affiliate marketing. Like I told you that we are going to target men, let's scroll contents. Like this is a complete suit. If people click on it, here you can see that it will directly redirect them in Amazon, and they can easily buy whatever they like. Now what will happen? The person who posted that link on Pinterest will receive a commission. There are other platforms such as Warrior Plus where you can choose products and promote in the same way. There's a suggestion I want to spill out. Don't post direct links on Pinterest. You can use Linktree where you can store multiple links or even create an online shop. I hope you have enjoyed this video and understood how we can earn money from Pinterest. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel, because I'm going to make the second video of this series on how to earn money from Pinterest, where I will spill out the details and some secret techniques. See you in the next one. Now, if you want to create a Faceless Bedtime Stories YouTube channel, I recommend you to watch this video.